So here is the gateron switch, and so as you can see over here, it's pretty flat. The switch already has been bent, and I just unbent it for purposes of this video. So as you can see, there's kind of like a ridge going through, and so once we got the pliers, we're gonna use that ridge to bend this even further. Just gonna bend the switch pin vertically. Like so. Just straighten it out a bit. Bend the top part a bit more. Each switch should take around like 2 minutes, 3 minutes at most. So now it's kind of crooked, so we just use our pliers, get in there and unbend it like that. And this should, as you could see over here, it's all bent and the edges are curled up. Can't really see it as well looking down. If you look over here, you can see the edges are curled up. So just straighten this a bit more, kind of like that. And this should fit into an outemu socket, or a Red Dragon K552 in this case.